Good morning, this is RJS Roofing. We're here to do a repairability attempt for Mr. Kevin Lang. Today's date is Wednesday, May 29th. It is 11 o'clock in the morning and it's about 75, 80 degrees outside. This right here is a 3-tab that we're going to replace due to this wind damage shingle here, as you can see. The tools we're going to use to do this repair is State Farm approved roof snake, standard nail puller, and a roofing hammer. I'm gonna start off by breaking the seals so we can get to our nails. This roof is pretty brittle, so I'm gonna be as gentle as I possibly can while also getting the repair done. Is that all of them? Just want to give them a close-up before we start. That way who's ever watching the video can see there's no prior damage or creasing or anything like that on the shingles before we get started. Before we get started removing nails, I mean. All right, I'm gonna use the nail puller and the hammer to locate the nail. And when I'm taking this nail out, I'm not gonna be real aggressive with the shingle. I'm not lifting it back all the way, nothing like that. Just barely lifting it up high enough. Find that nail right there on that sealant line. Now you want to give them a close-up condition check of each shingle. As you can see, that's got some pretty good granule loss and crease starting to form already on that one. That one's not quite as bad as the first one, but you can still see a little bit of matte breaking and granule loss going on the top of it. All right. All right, that one on the right side, not too bad. But as you go over to the left, you can see that there's some broken matting and some granule loss right there. All right, last one on the first one. 2 nails right here. Shingle's not too bad. You can see a little bit of creasing along the top of it, but not quite terrible. Now on the second row. The shingle's got a little bit of creasing in the corner, and as you go along the top of it, there's a little bit more granule loss, broken matting. That shingle not too bad. Probably our best conditioned shingle of the bunch. There's a little bit right here. All right, last nail removal. close up while I get this sheet. That one's got pretty significant creasing all on the top there. Out with the old, in with the new. Get it lined up where it needs to go. I'm gonna be using the State Farm approved roof snake to install these nails back up underneath shingle we just took them from. Still same concept as when I took them out. I'm not gonna be over aggressive with the shingle, just barely lifting it up high enough to get the shingle to rest right there on the snake. And get that nail on the sealant line. Just like that. This is scary. Well, that one didn't work. Can't get these nails to go in. Alright, last nail here. Alright, this repair attempt is done, and we'll go over give you guys one last overview. As you can see, got our new 3-tab installed here. And if you follow my finger right here, you can see got pretty significant creasing, broken matting, granule loss all on this shingle here. This shingle here, not quite as bad, but you can see broken matting, creasing, granule loss all on the top there. This shingle, more self-explanatory, pretty thick crease, all on the top there. Same with this shingle here, from right all the way to the left. We got broken matting, granule loss, and a crease formed. This right here is probably our best conditioned shingle of the whole group. We still got some broken matting here on the right and in the middle, and the left right there, some loose granules with that light tapping, so mark that one as well. This shingle here, from right all the way to the left, you see pretty significant crease, granule loss right there. And this shingle here is worse on the right side. As we go across, it kind of fades off, but you can still see